Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see ABB results in detail. Friends, I already mentioned ABB in our list who are interested on investing in robotics. And friends, ABB having good robotics and working with what you call electric automation, electrification, and process automations, and this company working for world's largest scooter manufacturer of Vola factory, which was constructing in Tamil Nadu. And friends, going all those, the ABB India logs a twofold rise in Q1 PAT. It's an MNC company, so they consider this one as a Q1 from year starting to year ending Q1, 2, 3, 4. So they said this as a Q1 and their profit is 151 crores by robust order book. If you see here that the company given 151 crores and before tax it was 204 crores of operational improvement initiations and capacity utilization and reduced their expenses. And friends, going forward, we are going to see more about this. Moreover, the company revenue was 1629 crores for the quarter based on successful backlog conversions. And next, what the company's director said means the first 3 months of the year continued to be impacted by the effects of COVID pandemic and subsequent supply and demand restrictions. So after all these, they given a good quarterly results, and for the quarter, the company total orders stood at 18,125 crores, reflecting ABB continuous journey of improvement on a sequential basis. So the company is overall looking good, and year on year and quarter to quarter also performed very well, and they are having several orders in high growth segments such as robotics and automation solutions. And see here, world's largest scooter factory located in India, which was Ola. This is working for Vola, and ABB has recorded a sequential, and all those things are looks good, and outlook also looking very good for the company in coming days. But due to some COVID, it's some facing some pressure, and it working on data centers, renewables, electronic, and F&B and pharmaceutical. It has so many areas closely working on robotics sector. And if you see here, the company's revenue, if you compare with year on year and quarter to quarter, it performed very well. 1654 crores, and in December it posted 1715 crores. Somewhat reduced, but if you see the profits, it was threefold. Here 57 crores, here 141 crores. They mentioned like March compared with March last year same quarter twofold, like 64 to 141, nearly twofold exceeded, but they said like twofold. But compared with here, I think it's nearly threefold. So I am expecting this is a positive, and I before itself mentioned about ABB company, and it will give a good revenue, friends. And on an individual basis, if you see here, I am keen on robotics in this segment of ABB. Robotics and discrete automations. Here it posted 49 crores, friends. 49 crores. And if you see here, in the same quarter last year, previous preceding means last quarter 43, and last year same quarter 42. Good improvement showing on robotics. So here all total year combined it given 155 crores. In this single quarter it posted 50 crores. If you see here itself, what I am giving is you will understand. That means in 3 quarters it nearly posted, if COVID will decrease within short period of time, it will give good amount of numbers. Like if it gives 50 50 50, then think here. 200 crores. So in the same way, in motion, like servo motors and all there for motions, automations and electrification, like electric automations, metro works, and all those things comes under this electrification and process automations means PLC SCADAs for to maintain every area of a renewable energies. It will works process automations and PLC coal handling plants also working these automations, process automations. Everywhere we see these type of automations to get some dependent to get rid of dependency on humans and logistics particularly. So on revenue basis also we are seeing some improvements on robotics particularly, and it's a very good thing we can notice. So they are also mentioning like they are getting good orders on robotics side. So my intention also, who are investing, who are thinking like robotics are next future, they're gonna to pick this ABB. And already mentioned other stock also, affordable robotics where Vijay Kedas are invested at around 78 rupees, and I mentioned like enter at 80 rupees. 80, 90 is a good value to enter in that. So if you see here, I already given this type of video in our YouTube channel, like supporters and resistance and everything. If you see here, 1260 is the worst case resistance and 1349 is entry level, and now it is 1384. Recently it came up to these levels. If you see April, see here April it went up to 1316, and after this it moved up. I kept this as a worst case resistance. It reached recently and from here it moved up. Friends, I didn't drawn this now. I already drawn previously itself when it was trading around these levels. So uh, after moving down and moving up, it is very good to see that here good volume of 24K with a time of 1 hour. I kept that is a good volume, and here today the volume is 260K today, and the overall volume 444K compared with the 10 days moving average 204K, which is very good sign for positive movement tomorrow. And friends, what are the high means? 1635, but we expect the share will move up to 1520 and it will get some selling pressure. So friends, holding this share is not a problem, but who want to profit booking, can you take profit book at 1550 at that area? But it's a very good share, friends, company. So this is my detailed analysis on ABB. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.